triangular, like, stab me in the throat.
What is up? It is your boy, Mr. Top Heavy, and I am here back at El Capitan State Beach and Campground. This time we are at the campsite near the beach. So we took off from LA on Friday, probably about 4:30. Got in about 6:30-ish. There was a line to get into the campground. Once we did get in, we set up in the dark. We got our dehydrated backpacking meals on. No mess, easy, and then went to bed. Today, what is our plans? We don't really have plans for today. We are going to maybe go down to the beach, get some breakfast somewhere, but first, we gotta get our coffee. Decided not to do anything for breakfast, kind of hung out, took our time. Now we're here at Olio Crudo Bar, and we're gonna have some brunch and then head to the beach. Gonna hang out there for a while. Other than that, I don't think there's any plans. You know us, we're doing hot dogs for dinner, no mess, no cleanup. So, yeah. So one of the nice things about being in El Capitan is that we're very close to Santa Barbara, so there's not as much of a pressure to like make sure you have everything. If you forgot something, you can come into Santa Barbara and grab it. It's a little bit more expensive here, so keep that in mind, but it is pretty close. It's like a 15-20 minute drive. are here at Haskell's Beach, our new go-to beach here in the Goleta, Santa Barbara area. It just is always so empty. Like, there's like nobody here, you know what I'm saying? So we brought the chairs this time. Had a light but fantastic brunch. We got a couple of sandwiches. We're gonna drink some beers here and yeah, just play ball with Patches.